This was an amazing space. It's very rare that you find 2 acres in the heart of Buckhead, and it was completely bare. There was nothing on it, and so we wanted to do something that was transformative, that matched the scale and the wow factor of this home, outside as well as in.
They really could handle the whole project that we needed done. We needed everything from flattening some grass to redoing a patio to totally redoing a deck and screening it in. And they had an idea of how to manage that whole process, how to deal with permitting, how to deal with really any obstacle that we would encounter.
We were looking for expertise and support, and obviously a project management team that could help guide us through this process. And they had all of that. They really provided so much support and guidance along the way.
Part of the reason why we got Outdoor Makeover was because my backyard was essentially a death trap for my kids. We needed someone that could take a very vague vision of what we were looking for and turn it into something that not only met our design needs, but also the safety needs for my kids.
It's amazing. It definitely gives us the wow factor that we were looking for in this home.